Keyframes are a key tool in video editing that let us add motion effects and transitions to our clips. Using keyframes, we control how an element moves, scales, rotates, or changes over time. This helps our videos look more professional and dynamic. CapCut on PC has an easy-to-use interface for adding keyframes, so both beginners and advanced users can make smooth animations and custom effects without complicated software. Learning how to add keyframes in CapCut helps us turn ordinary clips into eye-catching, engaging videos. This guide shows how to add keyframes in CapCut on a PC in a simple and efficient way. We learn how to select a clip, enable a keyframe mode, adjust a position, scale, rotation, and opacity over time, and create smooth transitions between points. When we master keyframes, we can animate text, overlays, stickers, and video clips accurately. This makes our edits look more polished and professional. This guide is here to help everyone use CapCut's keyframe feature to improve storytelling and video quality. Now let's look at how to add keyframes in CapCut. First, we open the keyframes. Once we open the keyframes, we can start working on our project. We start by importing a video. Let's use this video as an example. Next, we add another video below. With our main video and second video in place, we can add keyframes. By clicking, we add keyframes. One here, another there, and more wherever we need them. We can set the directions too. Let's put a sample chain at the top, then move it to the middle for the second keyframe, and to the lower right for the third. Now, let's play the video. When we play it, we see the movement. This is how keyframes work. Once we know how to add keyframes in CapCut on PC, we can make our videos come alive with custom animation and dynamic effects. Keyframes give us full control over each element, making our projects more engaging and polished. The more we practice, the better we get at creating smooth, professional animations that grab attention. With this knowledge, we are ready to improve our video editing and make content that stands out.